whole competition.
Yes.
We'll have quizzes and everything, and of course we'll have prizes.
You gotta kind of pitch Kinmen and Matsu to us.
Yes.
So we can decide our own next trips to go visit.
And which team wins gets some gaoliang liquor.
We got it.
Nice, we're gonna see
So, Andrew, what do you know about Kinmen and Matsu?
Honestly, I haven't been to either one.
Right.
I haven't.
Jenny,
Yes?
you've been all over Taiwan, everywhere, right?
Yes.
Why do you love Matsu?
So actually, I have been to Kinmen and I have been to Matsu. I think you choose Kinmen, that's because you didn't go to Matsu. There's three of you.
Why? What's the difference?
Because actually, this is not only for the military base
Right.
in the past, and also they have reached the natural resources.
Really?
Yeah, so also you can see some of the landscape and also for the lively scripts. So you can see a lot of also bird, animals there. So this is beautiful. So I can tell you later.
Okay. And Zach, what about you?
I come to Taiwan when I was 18, but the first time I come to Matsu, and I think oh my God, really? Why Taiwan has such beautiful scenery? And it is hard to convince people to believe that Taiwan have such a beautiful place because people's impression of Taiwan is about street food and night market, something like that. But I didn't know that Taiwan has such a beautiful place before, and because I live in Hong Kong, and I think people there are very competitive and stressed. And when I come to Matsu, I feel it's very relaxing, and I can release my pressure. So I love Matsu a lot.
Yes. Not only it's beautiful, but it's very different from Taiwan.
Right.
The sceneries and talking about militarized islands. It has something to do with war.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. So it has a lot of really special sceneries, especially the tunnels.
Right. Those are pretty famous, right?
Yes, we call Baba Keng Dao.
So it's like they have a whole city underground, and it's insane.
And that's what they use now to make
now they
the
store the
gaoliang.
So why do they store the gaoliang?
like that. It's amazing.
Why do they store the gaoliang in the tunnels?
It's it has a better temperature, and it's just no sunlight. Also, everything is just better to. Just like you would have wine caves, in France or something to preserve the wine.
Right.
It's good to have those dark underground bunkers also to preserve the gaoliang, because the gaoliang, they will also make it age for years, up to more than 20 years, some of them.
So I think in the Westerns, you drink red wine, right? You will say that take a longer you sit, and also the better you test.
Right.
So actually that works in the Matsu gaoliang also.
The older, the better. Like it gets smoother and smoother over time. The alcohol flavor will be replaced more by the sorgo flavor, which is like the name of gaoliang. It comes from this grain. It looks a bit like kind of corn.
It's called gaoliang.
It's so cool. You can walk in the
grain.
fields in Kinmen like that, and you really have this particular
smells like
cereal smell that you have in the gaoliang alcohol. It's amazing. A really young gaoliang that you buy in the supermarket compared to a selected one from 20 years old. It's a completely different thing.
Right.
I heard you can almost get drunk just by going in the tunnel or being in Kinmen or Matsu. Yes?
In the factories, around the factories is insane. It's like a gaoliang sauna or something. It's like you have the steam of gaoliang everywhere. You can go also see the. Oh my God, it's so pretty.
So this is a different part.
I
This
think
is Kinmen.
this is Kinmen, this is Taishan Tunnel, I think.
That is
right?
the Taiwan. Yes.
Taiwan?
I went to this place and it's amazing because the name of this is Taishan. Sorry, my Chinese is
Taishan,
Taishan.
yes.
But when I listened that is okay, it's Chinese. But when they told me the English name is the underground Kinmen, underground Kinmen. I said, why? What's happening? And the people say, this project is a really big project. They took around 5 years. What is the purpose? Because in August 23, in the artillery war, in that moment, they put the old people mobilized in this tunnel.
Okay.
So it's like the old
a bunker.
Yeah.
So this is not Universal Studios.
You can imagine it. It's like a
not a
movie.
ride.
No.
It's insane.
Maybe in that I'm a tourist, but in that moment, the purpose of these things will be put the people in this for safety.
Survival,
For survive. So you can start to feel in that maybe the anxious, this power of feelings.
Yes.
So actually, I can add something for the Jason Tunnel. So that can accommodate about like 42 vessels inside of it. So they are doing during the war. So they are doing for the supplies for them.
Right.
And actually, inside there every October they got a concert.
They have a concert in the
They have
tunnel.
a concert in the tunnel. So
Why are you giving them points?
because I want
Jenny, there's one more thing Let me explain that. Yeah, because I said there is a accommodate for the 42, right? But this one for the Matsu, this is the Beihai Tunnel. This one can accommodate over 100 vessels inside.
And so 100 vessels?
Vessels
Like
inside.
ships?
Yes, the ships.
Wow.
And also, right now you can experience to take the boat inside of it.
Also, this is Matsu Universal Studio.
Matsu Universal
Yeah, Matsu Universal Studio. And you got a crew to go tour guide with you and to share the story and history in there. So that is the best experience. If you want to know the tunnel, of course you need to get inside. It's not by walking. With boats. It's the best.
Wow, so this is...
It's kind of like Venice.
What do you sing for them?
I don't know any Italian songs. We're like
Matsu songs.
I don't know any Matsu songs.
But don't drink and...
No. Don't drink and row.